Welcome to my allotment diary again for week 3 of July. A really busy week watering my plot, a fellow plot holder's plot, and helping my daughter who has just taken over a plot on the allotment. In a normal week I try and spend 2 hours a day on the allotment, but in this hot weather there's been 1 hour watering on 2 plots and 2 hours on my daughter's plot every day, and I'm knackered. The entrance to my daughter's plot is not very convenient for access, and therefore would like an extra gate positioned in a corner diagonally opposite the existing, which then sets off a chain of events. The first of these is to clear away the remnants of the old compost bin and any other useless timber lying around, plus the bindweed from my own plot and other material donated by other plot holders. All this rubbish was set alight on a vacant plot in the evening. There were 3 piles of compost material in this corner, material being currently cleared, material in the process of breaking down, and mature compost at least 4 years old, so this had to be bagged and the other tipped into a new bin which will require constructing. There was an awful lot of nettles in this area, and no matter how careful or strong one's gloves were, one got stung, so they had to go. Back on my own plot, I employed a system of 2 cans, one filling while I watered with the other. The runner beans have started to show, but they are desperately short of rainwater. No matter how diligently one waters the runners, it is no substitute for heaven-sent rain. Back on my daughter's plot, I scrounged around for pallets, finding 2 suitable, but not enough. But I did observe a couple in the yellow jacket area, the substation, and a modest handful of freshly picked broad beans got them out and onto the plot with no physical effort from myself. The area was prepared and they were quickly erected and material loaded in to clear the ground. I will need more, but at least the material now is being contained. When one takes over a new plot, the first task should be construction of the composting setup and starting the composting cycle. The cycle starts with applying compost in autumn, made from the previous year, but of course in autumn you are filling your bin with this season's green waste as the beds are being cleared. Therefore, a new allotment has to be cleared. Persons with an allotment will tell you leave the plot unattended just a couple of weeks and it will produce a plethora of weeds and run to seed. These have to be cleared and a compost bin is the best place for them to go. The next day it rained and an inspection of my plot was made the following day to assess the effects. Not the soaking I anticipated, but it was welcome. And there were some advances, small but advances.
Strawberries finished. Blackbirds have cleared all the gooseberries. Got to come back to that. Whiteberries. Oh, there's a blueberry. What's the other one doing? Is ready to start. That's good. Let's go to bed 3. Week's looking pretty good. Yeah. Bed 4. Carrots. Let's have a look at the carrots. Do you know this ground is still dry? Beetroot. Too bad. Bed 5. Onions getting ready to drop. Some have started. Potatoes ready for harvest. Right. Bed 8. Got these to plant out. Oh, bed 9. Well, the rain has certainly done those a lot of good. They're coming on really nice. Bed 10 needs clearing. Bed 11. Lettuce has started to go to seed. Tomatoes doing okay. And that one. tomatoes doing alright. Just need to bring them up around there. Okay. Those lettuce are ready for picking. Just a bit more thing. Bed 12. Yeah, could still do with more then. Okay. Bed 13. It's time to make bulbs. Oh, there's a nice bulb. They're coming on. They're looking healthy. Runner beans are coming to an end. They are at an end actually. Some woodlands there. And then bed 14. So these are catching up. It's looking quite good. Oh, ears coming. Ears coming. Yeah, it's doing fine. But generally, I missed that. Looking back, I'll take a look from here. Not looking too bad. Bit of tidying up.
Remember when I said, got to come back to that? Well, I did. Cleared the bed, totaling 9 greyhound cabbages, 1 we cooked, 2 were given away, and yesterday's rain, and the rain this morning swelled some runner beans, peas, and a few beetroot, which brings us to the end of the day and the week. So I say take care, with luck, we'll see you next week, and I ask you to ring the bell for a notification. If you like the video, a thumbs up would be nice, but I do like to receive comments, and if not already done so, please subscribe. Therefore, till next week, bye!